Hi, I'm Jonathan Ammons, Editor-in-Chief of The Dirty Spoon. Welcome to the Ingles table. As a food, travel, and culture writer, I meet people from all over the world to talk about not just what they eat, but why it matters. Not all of us can afford to travel the globe to taste the flavors of the world, but with a little creativity and ingredients from Ingles markets, we can bring those flavors into our own homes and even save a little money in the process. Tabouleh is a staple of the Middle Eastern table and makes it for a healthy side dish with just about any kind of protein. Plus, it's insanely affordable to make. We start with a bed of parsley. It's really important to wash your parsley first because herbs like this tend to get really gritty if you don't. So you can just wash it, dry it off on a paper towel, chop it up, and throw it into your mixing bowl. Next, we add a little bit of mint. Get that good and mixed in there. Add your cucumber, a little bit of tomato, green onions, and bulgur wheat. Bulgur wheat's super easy to make. All you do is just add the dried wheat, top it off with a little hot water, and let it sit and soak up. After about 10 minutes, it's ready to go. Just strain it out with a fine mesh strainer, squeeze it dry with your hands, and add it on in. Good squeeze of lemon, a little bit of olive oil, salt, and lastly pepper. And you just mix it up. You're going to notice that there's a lot more parsley than there is bulgur wheat. It's supposed to be like that. This is more of a herb-heavy salad. If you like a little more bulgur in your mix, add more bulgur. And there you have it. Fresh tabouleh, ready to go. Thanks so much for joining me here at the Ingles table. Make sure to explore the rest of the site for great tips, tricks, and recipes. See you next time.